Bitwarden's password manager is known for creating, generating, and managing unique passwords. At the request of the community, they've now also made it possible to generate usernames. There are three options: a plus addressed email, a catch-all email, and a random word. Now, how do you get here? Currently, I am in the web version of Bitwarden, that is vaultedbitwarden.com. I go to Tools and I choose Username here. Um, the most interesting option here is the plus addressed email, also known as a sub-address or an alias. It is useful when you want to subscribe to different services, for example. You just give in your primary email address and then it will make a sub-address. This sub-address will then be used to log into your service, and the mails will still come through to your primary email address. Why is this useful then? Well, it is easy to filter out on the sub-address, meaning that you can tidy up your mailbox and keep the mails separate. This way you also know where spam is coming from exactly. A catch-all email is basically when you want to create a domain's configured catch-all inbox. That means when you use your domain, for example, example.com, all emails ending on @example.com will come through to this mailbox. You can find more information about this on our blog. And lastly, you have the random word, basically a random username. Um, it's very useful because you can just choose to capitalize it or include a number and you can keep regenerating them. So you can just copy them, place them in your vault, and you're good to go.